Hi, this is Don again. I am from The Reasonable Realtor. I write for it. Uh, I would like to introduce you today, and I would like to invite you to go read the article, Keeping Pests at Bay. TheReasonableRealtor.com. Today's article is Keeping Pests Away, talking about mice and insects. I'd like you to check it out, and if you enjoyed it, I'd like you to like it or share it or retweet it, depending on where you're getting advice that this article exists. Um, there are a couple of three places you could be learning about this article, whether it's on Twitter or whether it's on Facebook or whether it's just from me. I would love you to tell your friends about it. Anyway, like for you to subscribe to either the website, like you to subscribe to this series of videos, uh, or I would like you to comment, and I would like you to comment on all of them if you could. Uh, the link to the website I've got published in the text down below here, so you should be able to find it. TheReasonableRealtor.com. If you want to subscribe to this series of videos, there should be a little red subscribe button down there. If you don't see it, then there will be a little circle come up over here that you could click on and subscribe to this series of videos. Not a great series of videos, I'll promise you that. I'm still in the I hate what this is all about stage, but I'm learning. So anyway, ignore all that. Just go read the article. Thanks, and I'll check with you later.